Yo, what is up, guys? It is Soccer Star, and today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. Let me lower down the voice. Yeah, it's right there. So they got a new update, World Tour. Okay, I didn't read that. Player tip: Jonathan Sarawak, Malaysia. Play the Wordy Weekend event to unlock limited characters. Sorry guys, I just woke up. Yeah. Alright, let's play. What happened right there? Alright, so see if I can get a high score. My old score was pretty good. Something's lagging. Oh, there's your ladder. Move. What is wrong with my phone? Guys, I think it's a problem. Yo, I got 5,000 coins, 17 keys. Let's double tap for board. Let's get, oh man. That's a fail, 8. So we got times 8 bonus. Yeah. Sorry guys about my phone. I think I'm gonna get a new one. Oh man. Right here, right there. Get the O. Move. Alright. Let's get another board. That one was a fail. Alright, let's go up. Right. Nice tricks. Right? V. Now we need to get the E. Let's get all those coins. So let's get the E. No. E. Alright. Aw, man. Alright, we got the daily challenge complete. We got a boost. Think of Majigi. Let's try again. This is our last time. By the way, guys, I might be doing Talking to Siri on 3 a.m. today. I mean tomorrow at 3 a.m. Yeah, I might do it. But maybe we need to get a like on the video. Let's get 5 likes. That's all we need. And then yeah. Wow, this is pretty easy actually. Pretty good at this game. So yesterday my cousin said I can't lose in this game, then he lost. How funny is that? When you're the only one. Ha ha ha. Okay, I don't even know what I just said right there. Down, up, super shoes. Let's stay on trains. Whoop! Whoa, jump over train. What if you guys can actually do the beginning to practice? I'll be starting to practice right now. How to jump over high stuff. Woohoo! Alright, jump. Duck, jump. Oh, I thought that was a dead end right there. No, dead end! Dead end! Alright. Let's see the characters. So, comment down below which one you want. Let's go with the first one. Yutani. Spike. Fresh. Tricky. Jake. Dino. Lee. Frank. Frizzy. King. Lucy, Ninja, Tagbot, Tagbot, Tasha, Zoe, or Zoe, I don't know, Brody, and Prince K. I want that one. Yeah, that's cool. Now let's see the boards. Wait, I don't have anything, no. Boards. Comment down below which board you want. Let's start. Freestyler, Bouncer, Teleporter, Skullfire, Hoverboard, Rickshaw, Lowrider, Starboard. Wait, what's my other cow? Oh, Daredevil, Great White, Wind Glider, Scoot, Lumberjack. Oh, that's cheap. Superhero, that's kind of cheap too. Big Kuana, Sunset, and Monster. Yeah, so comment down below which one you want. Right now I need to buy some hoverboards. Got 8. Oh, we got times 4 mission set complete. Yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching me playing Subway Surf. Subway Surfers. Yeah, and see you guys at 3 a.m. because we're doing the series challenge. I'll be start doing 3 a.m. challenges. So, guys, see you guys next time. Bye.